I'm Georgina Kent. I'm the Day School Senko and Deputy Safeguarding Lead.
And I'm Warren Turner, the Sixth Form Senko and the Exam Access Arrangements Coordinator.
At ArtsEd, we pride ourselves on our inclusive and nurturing environment.
In the Support Hub, this is always at the forefront of what we do, ensuring that all students, whatever their learning differences, are able to achieve in line with their peers.
Our experienced teaching staff are excellent at identifying when additional support is required and providing for those learners.
Identified students are monitored and assessed within the department, allowing us to tailor learning support and target intervention work. As an example, this may include weekly one-to-one mentoring and support sessions, or assessing the need for examination access arrangements.
At ArtsEd, Day School and Sixth Form, we understand that there isn't a one-size-fits-all learning support solution. Every student here is unique, so we ensure that the support we provide is too.
Please don't hesitate to contact us to discuss in more detail your specific requirements and how we can support your child.